से घिरा मखमली ताल है, कितना खूबसूरत बेमिसाल है। वादियों से घिरा मखमली ताल है, नैनीताल है, नैनीताल है, नैनीताल है।
Good morning everyone. I am Vaishnavi Dutt with cameraman Kunal Dutt and you are watching RAN News. Do you know where am I standing? Yes, it's a beautiful city Nainital. Nainital is one of the famous hill stations of Uttarakhand in Kumaon region. Okay, so today we all are here for the virtual visit to Nainital. So, are you all excited? So let's move forward. Do you all know? Nainital is famous for its beautiful lake. Yes, can you see the lake behind? Yes, you know this lake is mango in shape. It covers the area of about 1.5 kilometers. Okay? Now you all can see the beautiful ducks. Can you see there? Please focus there. Beautiful ducks are there. They are white in color and they are doing quack quack. Yes, it's so beautiful. See? Now your Vaishnavi ma'am is going to feed these ducks and fish. So do you want to see? So let's begin. Quack. See? Fish is also there. And ducks are also there. Fish are also there. See, different species are there. There is a golden fish also. Yay! They are having. You can see. Yes. Now you all can see this is the Mall Road. Lower Mall Road. We are in the Lower Mall Road as I am going towards the Mallital. So we have to go from Lower Mall Road and upper side you can see that is your Upper Mall Road. Okay. So two roads are there. One to go from Talli to Malli and one the upper road from Malli to Talli. Okay. So strict rules and regulations are followed over here. Now this is the view of lake from the Upper Mall Road and the wind is blowing very hard. You all can hear the voice. So this is the lake view. Now you all can see this is the beautiful temple Shri Maa Naina Devi temple. So dear kids, this is one of the famous temples of Nainital. So now I am entering inside. You can see these are the stairs. So this is our beautiful Naina Devi temple. Inside you can see this is the temple of Hanumanji. This is the Naina Devi temple. Dear kids, you can see. And you can see the lake view from here also. The beautiful lake. This beautiful Naina Devi temple is here in Nainital since 1802. But in 1880, due to drastic landslide, this temple was completely destroyed, and later on in 1883, by the help of local people of Nainital, this temple was again built as they had deep faith in Maa Naina Devi. Now behind you can see the Jama Masjid of Nainital. You can see it is white in color, made up of marble. So it is a mosque. You know now what is a mosque? Yes, where Muslims they go to worship. Now dear kids, you can see I am standing in the Gurudwara of Nainital. Dear kids, there is only one Gurudwara in Nainital, which is very beautiful. You can see here. We'll go inside now. So let's see. Yes, you can see this is the beautiful Gurdwara. See how beautiful it is. Now we are here in the St. Francis Catholic Church of Nainital. It's located in Mall Road. Can you see? Beautiful church is there. So do you know what is a church? Church is a worship place where Christians they come to worship. Okay, you have studied, no? Yes, very good dear kids. Now I am going back.
So you can see on the gate it's written God bless you.
See, this is our Arvind Mall. Okay, you can see the name also. This is our Arvind Mall, which is also known as Thandi Sadak. Okay, so let's move forward. You all can see the lake view from Thandi Sadak also. As I have already told you that Thandi Sadak is also known as Arvind Mall. So here I am here in Thandi Sadak. Dear kids, this street is known as Thandi Sadak because it's very cold here in this area.
Now, this is our Pashar Devi Mandir, which is also located in Thandi Sadak. You can see Pandit Ji is doing the puja, so I am not going to disturb him anymore. Beautiful temple it is. You can see the lake view from Pashar Devi temple.
Now you all can see the front view of Pashar Devi temple. I have shown you now. Yes, in the previous video I have shown you the Pashar Devi temple. So this is the front view, and here also you can see the lake. You can see many people, they are doing exercises out here, yoga. So this is our gate point. What do we call it? We call it as gate point, and here people, they used to do yoga, early morning exercises. You all can see now. Yes, so it is very healthy. You can see so small kids are also doing exercises, isn't it?
See, they all are practicing. They all are doing swimming in such cold weather. It needs a lot of practice, dear kids. How beautifully they all are doing. See, small kids are also there. Girls are also there.
Now here I am standing in DSA field of Nainital. This is the only field in Nainital which is made up of concrete and pebbles, and here in national level the games have been played. Okay, so you can see here it's a beautiful place, and the children and many people, they are playing here. Now this is the brand house of Nainital, where in season the army camp used to organize shows. Now you all can see the boathouse club. This is the front view of boathouse club, and here you can see many boats are here. So this is the boat stand also.
Dear kids, this is the park of Boathouse Club. You can see due to COVID-19, less people are visiting Nainital. So right now no one is there in the park.
So that was all about Nainital trip. So you all were watching RN News with the reporter Vaishnavi Dutt and cameraman Kunal Dutt. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
ये नैनीताल है, नैनीताल है, नैनीताल है, ये नैनीताल